how to start Twitch IRL stream in your mobile. So hello guys, in this tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, you need to download Twitch app. So I already downloaded it from Play Store. You guys can download it too. After that, you need to open it. Once you open it, you need to log in. I already created the Twitch account and logged in. So the question is how we can start IRL stream in our mobile. So for that, you need to simply click on that plus icon. After that, you will see Stream Games, Stream IRL. So for IRL stream, you need to simply click on that. After that, you will see microphone option and also white gold circle with some type of logo. So you need to simply click on that. Once you click on that, your stream will be started. Thanks for watching.